Hey guys, welcome to ID5020. I am Danielle Phillipson and I'll be working with you this term. And I just wanted to talk with you a little bit about the project. So in this class, we're going to be discussing a lot of different topics, and then you'll go into your sample project course and apply those concepts. So this week, you're going to be selecting one of the three courses. And you don't need to be a content expert to select a course. In fact, it's actually a little bit better if you know nothing about the content for this, because our focus is on design and how to ensure that learners are learning. So you don't necessarily need to, you're not going to be asked to build lectures or presentations about the topic, because that's not our focus. So, get creative, test yourself, just see which class you think would be kind of interesting to work on and go for it. I will walk you through step by step. So I'm going to ask for your trust a little bit up front. I assure you, by the end, you will see there's a method to the madness, and it's a great learning experience. The other thing is, as you're making changes in those classes, once we get to that point, please keep a very detailed change log of every change you make and why you made it. It could be that you make a change and then later on go back and change it again, and that's okay to see that listed multiple times on your log. But you basically want to make sure that for every change you make, you log it and you explain why you did it. It doesn't have to be a paragraph, just one or two sentences. That way it's clear to me later on when I'm reading through and I see your final product why you made some of those design choices. So we'll talk more about that coming up, but please let me know what questions you have. I want to get those answered all the way through. Don't let yourself get overwhelmed, because the expectations for this project are realistic. I'm not asking you to completely build out a brand new course. So we'll take it one step at a time, and I look forward to answering your questions.